Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose password and security, click on lock screen password, wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. Now you need to select one of those locking methods by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter your login method, repeat it, and finally add your fingerprint if you wish to by choosing add and following the instructions. I don't want to those, I will go with cancel, click on the home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!